Hi, I'm Anne Morrison, a trainer with Odyssey Training, and today I want to help you know whether you're ready to enroll in our Excel expert courses and which one is best for you. Our Odyssey Advanced is a one-day course with selected features from a variety of capabilities to help you understand and use them and to gain more skills. So we include topics like advanced formulas, pivot tables, and linking data between different workbooks. The expert courses extend from the advanced course and they help you to actually dive into those areas that are relevant to your development needs. So it's important that you have already gained some of those advanced skills. When you are interested in advanced formulas, then the expert formulas course is best for you. When you need to know everything about pivot tables, then the Expert Pivot Tables course is best for you. And when you're analysing and cleaning data from a variety of different sources, then the Expert Data Analysis course is best for you. We look forward to welcoming you at one of these expert courses. Thank you for watching.